Today we are going to take the Sprinter from Palomar College campus to Escondido and back to San Marcos. But the Sprinter does run between Escondido and Oceanside, California. And right now what we're going to do is jump on the Sprinter. We are going to scan my credit card here. It's just a few dollars. And it's easy, and then we can just jump on the Sprinter and take a little ride. I've never done this before. So here's just a portion of the trip, and it's a part that I really thought was pretty. It goes over this bridge, and it goes right here across the 78 freeway. It used to be called State Route 78 or SR 78. It's the primary east-west travel corridor between Escondido and Oceanside.